So it looks like there's more trash here in our usual recording spot. So we're gonna try and, we didn't bring any trash bags with us, so we're gonna try and go a little bit further and see if we can find a better recording area. Right, Allie?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like this is like a regular place to have parties, I guess. How do people hang out here? Like, there's just so much stuff here. This looks very nice, except for the construction site over there. But it seems pretty open. There's a pillow. You think somebody's been sleeping out here?
Probably.
Okay, I don't like that idea.
That seems pretty good.
That looks like a sleeping bag. And there's also a chair.
Toilet chair.
Keep out, I mean it. Found another place, but there's just shoes everywhere. What?
Oh.
Okay. But there's just shoes everywhere. Like there's like a bike tire, but there's shoes.
Shoes, beer bottles.
And shoes. So many shoes. This place doesn't have as much cover as the other place, so I am getting a little wet from the rain. This could be nice. What is this?
It's all moldy.
Oh yeah. Oh. Ugh. Oh, there's something under here.
Okay, I'm not walking on that.
Yeah, it looks very dangerous. Oh yeah, that is rotted wood. What do you think? Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. Do you think we could find another place that has enough cover?
We might.
Do you know any place?
Not really.
Do you want to try behind the McDonald's?
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay. Well, this can't do. I guess we're going home.
I'm so mad.
It's gonna be too cold.
It's gonna be too cold.
It's gonna be too cold.
Yep. It's just been raining, Andy. It's gonna be too cold. Huh?
It's gonna be too cold.
I'm gonna push you in if you don't. Cold?
The Arrhenius theory was created, or framställd in Swedish, in 1887 by Swedish physicist and chemist Svante Arrhenius. But it also claims that bases ionize in water to create their own ions, but of the hydroxide variety. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this. I don't have upper body strength.
You're not the only one.
I'm gonna go dry off now.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, the abilities of bases and acids are described through their actions, continuing to make hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions and within a solution, such as water. Jag vet, skog stokig. So hydrogen ions can't be in the water by themselves because they get lonely. They don't have any friends to play with. But I'll tell you what they do. They make their own friends with the water. They combine with H2O and they become H3O. Jag vet, skog stokig. And of course, these acids and bases are classified as weak or strong, depending on their output. Hey, what's up, guys? Yes, and welcome to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, where Johannes Nicolaus Bronsted and Thomas Martin Lowry created this theory to describe the relationship between acids and bases. A Bronsted-Lowry acid is any atom that is able to donate a proton. But a Bronsted-Lowry base is any atom that is able to receive a proton. but that can only happen if the base has 2 free electrons. 1 pair of electrons to receive. In this theory, they call water amphoteric. Now, amphoteric means that water can act like a base and an acid. Changing it up a little bit. So, after an atom is formed, when an acid sends out a proton, then it creates a conjugate base. But when a base receives a proton, then it becomes a conjugate acid. The acid-base conjugates have the same build, except the acid has an extra hydrogen onto it. The Lewis theory. So this theory is obviously about acids and bases, where in this case the acid is known as a compound, and in a chemical reaction, compound can attach to 2 lone electrons in another molecule. Now when these 2 lonely boys, or the lonely molecules, come together, they become a base. These 2 lonely boys together are a base. But when they neutralization happens, they turn into an addition compound. Now, an addition compound only has 1 reactant a part of it. Alright, we're on the home stretch. Let's do this. So, this theory also defines acids as metal ions. Now, the oxides within the non-metal ions give away or donate protons as well as solid compounds. This is my 3rd video for class. I did the chemistry one, I did the history one for Miss Click, and now I'm doing this one for you, Miss Morielli. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to do this. These were so freaking fun. But of course, we did have some delays in the beginning, but we all got it worked out in the end, and yeah, I love doing this. I'm going to be recording more of this stuff for my Boy Scout troop, so I can get them started on, other things and get them interacted in this crisis time. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to express myself and learn about things that I really want to do. And here is where we may never meet again. I love you!
You good? You're like a beached whale. Yeah! But I don't have a bathing suit. Ah! Yeah, I bet. I don't feel bad at all.
Friends.
Mm-hmm.
No friends. Like me.
All by myself.
I'm pretending like I know what I'm talking about. Answer that.
I stabbed my eye too.
You stabbed you? How?
I was doing this and I stabbed my eye. You're so mean to me.
Like my feet.
What? Don't do that.
I'm gonna keep that in.
Don't do
keeping that
don't
in.
do that. Uh-huh. Okay. Don't do that.
Time to edit this.